Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Yusen and today I'm back again with our APMOPS preparation videos. Well, the question that we are dealing with today is 2024 round 1 question 26. So without further ado, let's jump straight into our question today. The question here says, I have two travelers with a total of 77 kilograms of luggage and the first traveler paid $14 for his excess luggage and the second paid $20 for his excess luggage. Well, I think all of us have went to the airport before, if not most of us. And we know that for luggage, there is a part of it that is free. And if you go beyond the free part, that is where you have to pay for the excess luggage prices. So now they say that for both of them, they took 77 kilograms. And of course, that is too heavy. So that is why they have to pay extra for the luggages. And the question tells us that had all of the luggage belonged to one person, the excess luggage charge would have been $94. So now they are asking, what exactly is the maximum luggage weight? Well, what does this maximum luggage weight mean? It means that it is the free part of the luggage charge. So, to get the maximum luggage weight, are we able to calculate it directly? I think most likely we are not able to do so. There's nothing that allows us to calculate the maximum luggage weight. But here, what is the question giving us a lot of information on? The answer is the prices that they have to pay. So, with this in mind, we think, oh, we know that roughly they are paying extra for it. So we can take a look first at the amount that they are paying. For the first traveler, he paid a total of $14. And for the second traveler, $20. But no, what happens is that if the question says all the luggage goes to one traveler, well, how much is he actually needed to pay? Is it just 14 plus 20? Everyone, pause the video now and think about it. Oh, time's up. I think most of us will have realized that it should not be 14 plus 20 because the question already tells us it's $94. But why is it $94? It is because although the luggage, there's a portion of it that is free. When we put both to one person, does the free portion become double? The answer is no. The free portion remains the same. And hence, for that free portion, this one traveler will also have to pay for it. And I think we are able to find how much is that so. So with that, if all of it goes to the one single traveler, we know that it is just the maximum luggage price plus the 14 and the 20 originally, because this maximum luggage price is needed to pay because it goes excess from the free portion. Oh, and how can we find it? We know that this is just equals to 94. So we are able now to find the maximum luggage price, which is just 94 minus 14 minus 20, which is giving us the answer of $60. Oh, so now I know that if there's no free portion, they have to pay $60 for it. Now we think back. What is the relationship between the maximum luggage price as well as its weight then? How does it help us with the question? Oh, that is the key point of our question over here. So now we know that we want to try to find a maximum luggage weight using the amount that we have paid, which is $60. But how can we do so? Well, we think if there's no free portion, well, how much does the first and the second traveler have to pay? Well, the first traveler will have to pay a total of $60 plus $14, which is $74. What about the second guy? 60 plus 20, a total of $80. So with that being said, the total that they are supposed to be paying is going to be, well, 74 plus 80, that is 154 over here. So with that being said, well, the question also tells us that these two travelers has a total of 77 kilograms of luggage. $154. 77 kilograms of luggage. So am I able to calculate out how much does it cost per kilogram of luggage? Well, I think we can. And that is 154 and 77. Just divide it and I get that for every kilogram that they bring, they're supposed to be paying $2 over here. Now we think, just now we mentioned that if they are supposed to pay for the free portion, which is this part over here, they need to pay a total of $60. And $2 per kilogram. Now, are we able to find what is the maximum luggage weight? I think it's very straightforward. $60, $2 per kg. That is just 30 kilograms that he has to bring. So we have found our answer. It is just 30 kilograms over here. With that being said, now let us think. What exactly is this question being asking us for? Well, this type of question is just also known as a travel luggage problem. Okay? And in this type of problem, what was the first thing that we tried to do? Well, we know that only one fixed portion of the luggage is free. Even if you combine multiple people together, there is no extra part that is free over here. Well, aside from this, then at the end, when we are trying to find the weight, what do we need? We need the price as well as the amount that he has paid. So we use the amount paid and the price to find the final weight of it. So with that being said, here is a practice question for all of you to attempt. Well, once you're done with the question, just put your answer in the comment section below. With that being said, that is the end of our video today. Well, here is a QR code for all of you to join our WhatsApp group that is always updating with a lot of news as well as competition material. If you have any other problems, feel free to just message us in the group and our teachers will be very glad to help you with it. So with that being said, thank you and bye-bye.